How to copy-paste on Instagram. If you see any text on Instagram that you want to copy, you may notice that Instagram does not allow you to do this directly in the app. When you tap and hold on text, nothing happens, and swiping only gives you options to reply or report. However, there is a way to copy the text using your phone's built-in text recognition feature. First, open Instagram and find the comment you want to copy. Once you have found it, take a screenshot of the comment. Next, go to your photos and open the screenshot. If you're using an iPhone, tap and hold on the text in the image. Your phone will recognize the text, allowing you to select and copy it. On Android, use Google Lens or a similar text recognition feature to highlight and copy the text from the screenshot. Once copied, you can paste the comment anywhere, such as in a text message, an email, or a Notes app. That's how to copy-paste on Instagram.